Understanding the camshaft belt in vehicles. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating automotive term, camshaft belt. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about this technical term, this video is designed to explain its meaning and usage in simple English. The camshaft belt, often called a timing belt, is a crucial component in many internal combustion engines. It's a reinforced rubber belt that synchronizes the rotation of the engine's camshaft and crankshaft. This synchronization is essential for the engine's valves to open and close at the right times during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. Understanding this term is key for anyone interested in automotive mechanics or wanting to expand their technical English vocabulary. The camshaft belt plays a vital role in the smooth running of an engine. If this belt fails, it can lead to serious engine damage, and in some cases, the engine might stop working altogether. That's why it's crucial for vehicle maintenance and repair. Knowing this term is not only useful for car repairs but also for understanding more complex English discussions about automotive engineering. In everyday English, you might hear phrases like timing belt replacement or camshaft belt inspection. These are common in the context of car maintenance. For English learners, being familiar with such terms can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're in an English-speaking country and need to discuss car issues or understand automotive advice. We hope this video has shed light on the term camshaft belt and its significance in both the automotive world and in learning English. Remember, expanding your vocabulary with terms like these can be incredibly rewarding, especially when it comes to understanding specific fields like automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.